Okay, what's up guys? So last night, me and my buddy Willie, we met up and we were gonna try to film this video like an eating challenge or something like that and make it real funny because he's a funny dude, but he kind of left me hanging last night. We bought all the donuts, like multiple boxes of donuts.
No. I'll eat every last one of these.
He ate half of them before we even got to the checkout. Just eat in the store before you even buy it. And we just never ended up making a video. So, he's working today. And I figured, since I know where his car is parked, which is right there, man. And we about to get him. Guys, I probably should have thought this out a little bit more because as soon as I stepped out of the store, yeah, it is a blizzard going on outside right now.
Massive blizzards!
Like, how am I gonna do anything? You think we should just go get some duct tape it all onto his car, make sure it doesn't blow away? All right, Willie, you should have just filmed that video with me. That's all you had to do. Willie, you should have just filmed the video. I would have got you worse if it wasn't freezing. Whoa! Why is it so cold, Pete? Hello?
What did you do to my car?
What?
What did you do to my car?
I didn't do anything to your car.
Yes, you did. You're the only person that would have.
What are you talking about?
Dude, I just got out of work and there's a giant butterfly and a ribbon and a hat duct taped to my head.
Send me a picture.
What the heck's going on, dude? That was you. You're the only person that would have. It's like a giant birthday hat, duct taped. Everything's duct taped to my car and the strings were hanging off and I had to clean some of it up, but I left some of it on.
Did you take a picture at least?
Yeah, I just sent it to you.
Hold on. Dude, that was not me.
Did you see that? What is that?